Imagine a farm where tractors drive themselves. No operator, no long hours behind the wheel, just fully autonomous machines working day and night with perfect precision. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the new revolution transforming agriculture right now. As the global farming industry struggles with severe labor shortages, companies have started developing fully self-driving tractors that can plow, plant, and harvest without a single human inside the cabin. These autonomous tractors use advanced sensors, GPS, machine learning, and AI-powered navigation systems to perform tasks with accuracy far beyond what a human could maintain for hours in the field. The result? Increased productivity, lower labor costs, and farming that continues even when workers are scarce. Many experts believe this technology could completely reshape modern agriculture, boosting efficiency, reducing waste, and helping farmers produce more food with fewer resources. But this isn't just about efficiency. Autonomous tractors also promise safer working conditions, fewer accidents, and less physical strain on farmers. And as major companies continue to innovate, these machines are becoming more precise, more affordable, and more capable every year. The question now is simple. Are we witnessing the beginning of a fully automated future for farming? And how long before robots take over the fields entirely? Let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe for more future tech stories.